Lift your face with this. Higher cheekbones, fuller looking lips, more lifted eyes using this here. This palette I discovered a few months ago and became obsessed. But it is one of our favourite products in the store.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's all my handpicked must-haves, but I still have my faves.
Yeah.
This. And even, I think Bonbon likes it, don't you, Bonbon?
Oh, you want
Oh,
some?
he likes the taste of it. Okay, if you don't know, I'm a professional makeup artist and this is my mate,
Katie.
I'm also Katie. So firstly, you need a big fluffy brush such as this. You're going to put it into the bronzing shade. This is a universal shade. It works on everyone. The trick is to tap in and, dare I say, tap off. You want to apply a little, first of all, build up.
Now it's easier to build it up.
Okay, are we ready, Katie?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Suck in.
Oh, it's like synchronised makeup.
Yeah. Look.
Oh my goodness, that's such a
Is
good
that
way
not
of doing
is
it.
that not a sculpt or is that not a sculpt? How cool is that? Look at this side. Look at that side.
Nothing.
Sculpted.
Sculpt.
We're now going to tap in to the pink. Ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Tap off. 1, 2, 3. We are serious. We are serious. Now this time, for the cheeks, I'm going to go down from my pupil. I'm going to go here. It's kind of right on the edge of your apple here. I'm going to swirl it. Swirl. Swoosh. Can you see that beautiful sheen? How natural.
So pretty.
And then compared to that side.
Boring.
Are we ready to do the rest of our
Yes.
face? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So let's quickly do the other side. Isn't that lovely?
It looks so nice.
Doesn't it?
It just looks like really youthful, glowy skin,
Yeah, doesn't
it?
Next thing I'm going to show you, this shade here can give you a little eye lift.
Come on.
No, it can.
How?
Okay, you will need another brush for this. Fluffy brush like that, can be anyone. I'm going to dab into the dark shade. What we're going to do next, tap, 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 tap.
Oh, you went more.
Now, you're going to place the brush in the middle of your socket. If you're someone that has a hooded eye,
Me.
if your hood goes over like that, you can like lift your hood, go in the middle, go backwards and forwards like a windscreen wiper, and let your hood go back down, and then just go a bit over your hood. You want to leave 1 millimetre or 2 of free skin here so that this bit stays free of shadow, and that's what gives the lift. Then if I wanted to, I could put a bit more, squeeze my brush and then run it underneath. I mean, that didn't take a lot of effort at all.
Oh, I like it.
It's nice, isn't
Yeah,
it?
really
It's
nice.
pretty. Finally, take a little bit of this. If you tap it in the middle of your lip here, just, it's a bit annoying, but if you make this sound when you do it, look, you go, you don't have to.
Oh, that's nice.
And you can see it just gives you a bit of an oomph to the middle of your lips. It makes your lips look fuller.
That's really nice.
I mean, if you would like to try this as well, see this at Beauty and the Boutique.
Yeah.
You see there.
Bye.
Bye.